Do you own a diesel vehicle and think it's built to last forever? Think again. Right now, without warning lights or weird noises, you could be silently killing your diesel engine every time you turn the key. That's right. Even the most tough diesel trucks and SUVs can fall victim to these 8 everyday driving habits that most people don't even realize are deadly. And the scariest part? Some of these bad habits are actually taught to new drivers by mistake. If you care about protecting your turbocharger, fuel injectors, and that expensive high-pressure fuel pump, you need to stick with this video until the end. Habit number 6 alone could turn your reliable workhorse into a $6,000 repair nightmare. Ready to find out what you're doing wrong without even knowing it? 1. Skipping warm-ups, especially in cold weather. Diesel engines aren't like gas engines. They operate under much higher compression and need time to reach optimal operating temperatures. But most drivers, especially in cold climates, just start the engine and take off. This is a huge mistake. When you skip the warm-up phase, engine oil hasn't fully circulated, which means critical components like turbo bearings, pistons, and valves aren't properly lubricated. Cold oil is thicker and sluggish, especially in winter, and that increases metal-on-metal contact, accelerating wear. Smart diesel owners let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving, and they avoid high RPMs until the engine is fully warmed up. Even manufacturers like Cummins and Duramax recommend this, especially in sub-zero conditions. Remember, the cost of patience is zero. But a new turbo from neglecting warm-ups, easily $1,500 or more. 2. Revving too hard right after startup. You might think giving your diesel some revs to wake it up is helping. It's not. In fact, it's doing the opposite. High revs right after starting are brutal on your engine. Why? Because the oil hasn't fully reached the top-end components like camshafts, rocker arms, and turbos. This causes dry friction, heat buildup, and even scoring inside the cylinders over time. This habit is especially dangerous in turbo diesels. Revving hard too soon causes turbo lag and heat stress. Long-term, you risk premature failure of your turbocharger, and those aren't cheap. Diesel mechanics warn: drive slow, warm up fast. Light throttle and steady cruising are your best friends during the first 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Short trips. Kill diesel engines. Here's a shocking truth. Short city drives are one of the worst things you can do to a diesel engine. Why? Diesel engines are designed to run hot. Short trips prevent the engine from reaching its ideal temperature, meaning moisture and fuel residues don't get fully burned off. That leads to carbon buildup, clogged EGR valves, and even diluted engine oil. Plus, your diesel particulate filter, DPF, never gets hot enough to regenerate properly. That means ash and soot accumulate rapidly, and soon, your car starts going into limp mode or throwing DPF error codes. If you drive mostly short distances, consider either taking the long way home once in a while, or letting the engine run for a bit longer after parking, especially if it's a turbo diesel. You're not wasting fuel, you're saving your engine. 4. Ignoring glow plug cycles. If you've ever jumped in your diesel and turned the key immediately on a cold morning, you're already in trouble. Glow plugs are vital in cold weather. They preheat the combustion chamber so the engine can start smoothly. But many drivers ignore the glow plug light and crank the engine too soon, leading to hard starts and excess cylinder wear. This repeated abuse damages the starter, weakens battery life, and floods the cylinders with unburnt fuel. Over time, it contributes to thick black smoke, fouled injectors, and engine knock. Wait for the glow plug light to turn off before starting. It's usually just a few seconds, but it makes a huge difference. And here's a pro tip. If your diesel starts hard in cold weather despite using the glow plugs correctly, it might be time to replace them. They're wear items, just like spark plugs in gasoline engines. 5. Towing too much without upgrades. Diesels are famous for towing, but that doesn't mean they're indestructible. Many drivers tow trailers or heavy loads without upgrading their cooling systems or checking transmission health. That's asking for trouble. Overheating, warped heads, failed turbos, and burned transmissions are common in trucks that are overloaded repeatedly. Manufacturers like Ford Powerstroke and Ram Cummins publish exact towing capacities. Exceeding those or ignoring payload weight puts massive stress on your engine and chassis. If you're towing regularly, upgrade your transmission cooler. Monitor exhaust gas temps, EGT with a gauge. Use tow haul mode. Downshift manually when descending hills. Ignoring these steps leads to early death for even the most rugged diesels. 6. Not letting the turbo cool down. Here's a killer habit that even experienced diesel drivers overlook: shutting the engine off right after a long, hard drive. When you do this, the turbocharger's internal components, especially the bearings, can cook in place. Without engine oil circulating, the heat from the turbo can burn residual oil, causing coking. Over time, this leads to carbon buildup, restricted oil flow, and ultimately turbo failure. What's the fix? Let your engine idle for 60 to 120 seconds after heavy use, like highway towing, hill climbs, or long drives. This lets the turbo cool down naturally while oil is still flowing. Some trucks have built-in turbo timers, but even if yours doesn't, get in the habit of waiting a minute before shutting off. It could save you thousands in repairs. 7. Using cheap fuel and ignoring additives. Diesel fuel quality matters a lot. Using the cheapest diesel at an off-brand gas station could expose your engine to water, microbes, or excessive sulfur content. Water in diesel leads to injector failure, contaminants clog your fuel filter, and poor cetane ratings reduce combustion efficiency, leading to rough idling, black smoke, and power loss. That's why longtime diesel owners often use fuel additives. Products like Stanodyne, Hot Shot's Secret, or Lucas improve lubricity, clean injectors, and reduce wear in high-pressure fuel pumps. Modern diesel engines, especially common rail systems, are super sensitive to fuel quality. Saving a few cents per gallon might cost you thousands in the long run. 8. Neglecting fuel filters. Your diesel fuel system runs at pressures of 25,000 pounds per square inch or more. That means even the smallest particles can cause injector damage. But many drivers forget to replace their fuel filters at the right intervals. Or worse, let dirty filters sit in the system for years. Result? Clogged injectors, misfires, fuel pump failure, and contaminated fuel rails. Check your manual, but most diesels need fuel filter changes every 15,000 to 25,000 miles. If you're in dusty environments or use lower grade fuel often, change it more frequently. And always prime the system properly after a fuel filter change to avoid airlock. 9. Forgetting to drain the water separator. Many diesel fuel systems have a built-in water separator, and for good reason. Diesel fuel absorbs moisture far more than gasoline, especially in humid climates or older underground tanks. That water sits at the bottom of your fuel system and can corrode lines, injectors, and fuel pumps over time. Veteran diesel drivers always drain the water separator regularly, especially before long trips or during rainy seasons. Most modern trucks will have a sensor and warning light, but by the time it activates, the damage may already be starting. If your truck doesn't have an automatic separator, check your owner's manual. There's usually a small plug or petcock valve you can open under the filter. Do it at every oil change, or once a month if you drive a lot. That 5-minute maintenance habit can save you from a $1,500 injector replacement. 10. Letting the diesel sit too long. Here's something beginners never think about. Diesel engines don't like being ignored. Letting your truck or diesel vehicle sit for weeks without driving leads to condensation in the tank, gummed up injectors, and in some cases, bacterial growth in the fuel, often called diesel algae. Longtime diesel drivers know this and take precautions. They fill the tank before storage to prevent moisture buildup. Use stabilizers like Power Service Diesel Clean. Start and drive the vehicle at least once every 2 weeks. Use block heaters if parked in cold weather for long periods. Your diesel might be a beast, but leave it untouched long enough, and it becomes a ticking time bomb. There you have it. 10 diesel tips experienced drivers swear by that beginners usually learn the hard and expensive way. Diesel engines are powerful, long-lasting, and reliable, but only if you respect them. These habits aren't just theory. They're based on thousands of mechanic reports, real-world breakdowns, and maintenance schedules followed by pros who've pushed their trucks well beyond 500,000 miles. If you learned something new or realized you've been making some of these mistakes, drop a comment below and let us know which one surprised you most. And if you want your diesel to last longer, run smoother, and save you thousands in avoidable repairs, don't just watch, act. Take care of your diesel, and it will take care of you for decades.